Hello everyone, it's Corvette Dan. Welcome back to the channel. Click that thumbs up, the notification bell, like, and subscribe to the channel. I got another one for you. You remember about a year and a half ago I did a video on C5 gas cap hack. Well, I did not know that they weren't all like that until we acquired this 2003. It is different. So believe it or not, there's a hack for the gas cap as well on this one. We're going to show that, so stay tuned. So obviously the first thing you're going to do here is release your gas cap door. Bingo. And from there, we'll open it up and you can see that little lip isn't in here, but there's something else. And before we get started, it's a great reminder. Don't remove the gas cap when the car is running. So we'll shut up the car. So now that the gas cap is removed, you can see here a little hook. And you will just, there you go. So stay tuned, folks, for the next one. C5 Tech is coming up. Again, like, comment, subscribe to the channel. It's Corvette Dan. I do appreciate it. Until the next one, thank you very much.